Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. This is a fast unboxing. I am super tired, but I just wanted to get this up the way. That's why I'm not using a microphone or a lavalier or anything. I'm using the actual iPhone instead of using my DJI camera. Like I said, I'm super tired, so let's just get this out the way. I know it's kind of dark in here, but it's okay. It's all right. Got the package right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So the reason why I'm doing it like this is because I didn't take the label off here. Like I said, I'm tired and I just want to get the unboxing out the way. So let's do that. Go. Get out the way. So if y'all don't know, I got me a cheap iPad case for my iPad Air M2 2014, the 13-inch one. So I got it in this color. I was gonna get the one that had the solid color, but I just wanted to get a case like super quick just to get my iPad protected. So as you can see, you can use this on a Pro or you can use this on the 13 that I have. So let's get it off the way. Let's get my iPad, which is right here. It's right here. And I'm just gonna pop this in, and my notifications to my cameras is going off. So let's just wipe all that out. Okay. There we go. Before I push that in. There we go. That's secured. Push that up. There we go right there. Couldn't even tell that it's gray. I am gonna buy me a skin for this iPad. So I'm gonna go to D brand, give me one of those skins. So that's what I actually like about these type of cases. Leave it like that. Now I can work with my keyboard because I do have wireless keyboards and stuff like that. So yeah, before I let y'all go on this video, I just want to state something real quick. Y'all seen I had a regular iPad. We just traded in my son's iPad, and he had a blue one. I think it was a 10th gen iPad, 10th gen. We just traded that one in. He had blue, and we just got him one like this. So he has the exact same one I got, but he has the 11-inch. So we got his in blue. I wanted in blue, like I said in my previous video. They didn't have a blue one for me or the 11-inch one, so they wound up having this in stock at Best Buy for like 40 bucks more than you had to pay. And on top of that, had to get it in gray. So it don't matter because the case right here is in blue, so you couldn't really tell. I'm going to get a skin for this, probably from D brand. And as you can tell right there we go. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.